Yes, welcome again, people. Welcome. Yeah, this is my second video about the Michael Manley situation, and me choose to title the video um Holeness disrespect Jamaica and Jamaicans about Michael Manley. You understand? Because it's clearly a disrespect and it's a lie. You understand? Well, me I gonna introduce myself. You can call me Mr. Press, because my channel is Jamaica Press, so you can call me Mr. Press. You can refer me in the comment section as Mr. Press, you get me? So, you just, like, share, subscribe, and talk about me things and listen about what me talk about and just analyze it for yourself and just make the truth set on free. You get what I say? Yeah, so the title say a lot because it's clearly a disrespect, and we come to talk about sorry, come to talk about a way or Holeness can do something for the Jamaican people without feeling that him building roads, which that's the biggest thing him do in a Jamaica, but the road them and of the poor people drive on it too. Yeah, rich people now. No problem with rich people and high society people, Me no want nobody feel like that. But high society people and rich people if know say what a go on in the politics, must know say it no right, and poor people are suffer, and that's why it a breed criminals. And that you don't understand. When you look down upon ghetto youths, so you must stop that. You must try to help the ghetto youths in any ways you can. You understand? So the title say a lot, families, brothers and sisters, you just need to listen. You understand? Because me I go show Andrew a way how him can make something of himself as the Prime Minister instead of a come out and say, yo, Manley never do nothing. Because watch Jamaica have a resources. Why you think foreign entity want come drill out the cockpit country? Why you think the people them a fight for it don't drill out? Because Jamaica, cockpit country, have an ecosystem with the water and the weather of the country. You understand? Whether I know that, I don't know that. Some people don't know that. Some people not study that. You understand? If them drill out certain part of the cockpit country, may I tell you, enough things are gonna happen to our water system and the ecosystem. You understand? And the climate, it a go different. And the drilling, the rocks and everything. Some people don't know what that can cause in the surrounding community. The dust. Sorry, the dust thing. It's wicked. So, for one, Andrew, water. Jamaica is a country where land, wood, and water, brother. Why you know bottle water and sell it around the world? Why you not do that? Why you not do that? If you want to do something, if you say you want to do something, you want to make change, and your honorable bro God wish me find you fun if you say all that. You just get me I say you're bro God. Yeah, me see the style. But who no know it? Me I go show up the style. Why him do that? It's like of the people them lock in him, in a little bubble, because Jamaica we can't get in our bubble, excitement, we like that, we like excitement, good excitement. But Andrew Burger thing is a bad excitement because they might use that for control on the mind, forget on the mind. So people and everybody, honorable Burger and Andrew will be like a Jamaica, he might be like a normal. That is a trick, brother. Style. Tricks and trade machines back in business. Forget the people them kneel down to you and bow down like when me see the people them I do, because the people them a bow down to you, and them not say yo, you not do the right thing one for do, you know, because them been misled. You understand? So me wanna know you know set up nothing, do no factory nothing, implement no factory. Cause if you go buckle water, you go automatically create a factory, You understand? Work I go did it, Andrew. You create something for employ people that is Jamaican. It's Jamaican. It's Jamaica. It's for Jamaica. It's for the people. We need jobs, brother. We need jobs, brother. We need some factory job, not just call center job and for work in a wholesale and for work for Chinese, for little and nothing. Minimum wages is nothing, brother. You understand? Minimum wages is nothing, fam. What is that? Andrew, yourself, ghetto people have big house. How can ghetto people have big house without the minimum wage, brother? What are you doing? You sell out the country to Chinese. You sell everything. You give everything to Chinese. Them not pay tax. Enough people don't even know that Chinese don't pay tax for what them are doing in our country. So if them not pay tax, all we country go gain. All we go gain money. All we go gain revenues. Yeah, Chinese did it. Them get free land. Them free this. Jamaica people not get no free nothing. We not get free land. If the people then depend on the land and them want it, then come and then write this and write that, and then say if come out here, my bulldozer, them have to come off. You see, them a do that. I don't know how far they reach that with capture land, but they want to do that. I don't know how far they reach with that. I didn't do it already. I don't know. You understand? Them want to do that, but the man not create no jobs. The man not create nothing. What kind of jobs? They only create call center jobs. People pay the 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 we got university. I fly out of the country. Go in America, go and run the world, go and look work. And then still not get the job where them will study for. So where people are got high school, where people are got university for and college. If you go study for. If you go come call center, if you answer phone. At that people if you go study 500 and 400 and 300,000 at college and university for. If you go and turn call center operator, brother. Jamaica like I go back way. Jamal, them thing they cut off. I think MICHEAL MANLEY implement them thing, Jamal, for people who couldn't read, You understand? All of them thing they, create nothing like them there, Andrew. You're not bringing back them thing there. Oh, you're not bringing back them thing there. We lose the culture. You don't even see that you find dancehall music because the bigger heads them are it's just a puppet where I follow. They don't want we as black people to enjoy ourselves. But my video them I go when the soon know what me attack, man, because that's one whole heap of thing I talk, because a puppet thing I go on, puppet Andrew is just a big puppet. They can't do nothing for the Jamaican country. Them can, but them don't want to, because them reap the sweets. You understand? Them reap the sweets, then get paid and them take it to oppress we as the people them in the country. You understand? Yeah. Them get paid, them get them diplomatic passport, then kids are right, go well school, well trained and everything. You understand? And that are going on, the people them now see that at Jamaica, then just run back a politician. No, everyone our factory then closed down, Nail factory, Brazil factory, everywhere closed down, you have Jamaica usually export all fruits. Them thing they stop. We not export nothing. Be import fine goods we can grow in Jamaica. And Holeness, why if you say you want to do something, but why you not fix them thing there, brother? Eh? Why you say yo you 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 do something for the Jamaican people then, brother? You don't do nothing, brother. Why you not fix that? Why you not fix them thing there? Why you not show Jamaican that you do something instead of a come on TV, I come talk foolishness and rubbish, eh? And I come gimmicks and I tell people, boy, your clerks, teach your first clerks, and this and that, and show up clerks, eh? Yeah, we're Jamaican, we love clerks. Me love clerks, you understand? Me love clerks. But me doubt you usually wear clerks. Because what? I society pitting like you know where they sitting there come to school. Cause no want have people use them where they and get to love clerks as what would I call we? What would I call it? What would I say what again? Remember the word. What them would I call? Cause them would I say like the bright kids. Them would I say we and we are beat like we are beat decks and we are have fun lunchtime and we are beat decks and I sing and some of the girls and we like them think they look part and look the bright one they look part and then the skin on their face and say stereotype that they call people like we. You wasn't labeled as a stereotype. So I doubt you ever wear clocks because when we usually go to school, a gangster you wear clocks. You understand? Well, I never see no head boy and head girl and none of them. When we usually go to school, I never see no bright pitney wear clocks. If you're bright, yes, I don't mean like when I say bright, I mean like them top kids there. When I see them pitney, they wear clocks, brother. If you're bright and you're in a top, unless you're bright and you're in a top and you're in a dip on this tush thing and act like say you're no uptown class better than the kids them where don't learn fast. You understand? You have girls and you have youth will be like that. Don't hurt now I see me them bright, them do everything, them school class where they no want go because they don't like a teacher but them still can't pass the test because them have the books and them go home and then study and then we all have a friend when they when they say yo what go on in a class and you understand? You get the notes from them friend and them study and them still pass the class and teacher go wonder how them pass and them no come my class. Because what? See have some kids them not stupid. You understand? You have kids who do them thing there. You understand? Me usually go to school. Jamaica set a way with teachers. Everything is all about classes in Jamaica. Everything. If you can't, one I think when I see them do when they're at school, them call out you. Whole I pick them who can't pay their school fee. Them call out you and them tell you say this is about all of the kids them who on this. I remember if a part program they usually call it when we usually go to school. So they know so from here that they know kids them that where their mother can't pay them school fee. I never usually like it, but then when we reach up in a grade 10 and sitting, I say, yo, you know what? Kick with that yeah man. That can't get me off of my foot. And when they call me, I just go there and I remember time when they call me, I'm go there and tell my mother can't pay it. Yeah, they can't pay it. You have to just wait. You understand? She can't pay it now. You understand? If she could have paid, she paid it already. Yeah, I remember that. So at them thing there, the government them not fix them thing there. You understand? Them not fix them thing there. The government they not create nothing from Manley come up. I just be a puppet government from PJ Pattis, from Siaga, from one man Messi come want to do good. One man and a Bruce Gullin. Me not say him perfect, but Messi say him they want change for Jamaica. And him tell plant, eat what plant. You understand? Eat what grow. I want to grow and eat, plant in my backyard because you know when did I go do him they go move away from the American system. Just like when Michael Manley did I do. Move away. Because the American system is a puppet system where you have to bow down to them and them sodomize your country. You understand? And at that Michael Manley them see. And that Bruce Golding them see. That's why then they want to go the other way. You understand? But Mr. Holeness, if you want to do something, brother, buckle water. You understand? Buckle up water, brother. Buckle up water. Build something. It can work, brother. Instead of you fight crime, prevent crime. You understand? Prevent crime, brother. Prevent crime. Prevent is better than cure, brother. You understand? If you did that prevent it from early, it wouldn't need cure because it need cure now. You understand? But prevent it now. Try start to prevent crime. Try start to give the youth some hope, brother. Don't only go in at the era them when no need vote, brother. You understand? Make some factories, brother. Open up the nail factory them and the Brazil factory them. You have a whole heap of good talent source out there, brother. You understand? Open up some factories, no man. Open up them back, no man. Farming. We need back farming. Stop import food in our country. Jamaica is an island. We don't need to import nothing from America, brother. We don't need to import them chemical food, brother. Make the Chinese them carry them, then see them plastic this and them plastic that. I want to do nothing, no sanction. But the Chinese them bring them foolishness in our country. You know not do no sanction. Andrew, do something, brother. Do something. You understand? Open up some factories, brother. Open up something, brother. You understand? Buckle out some water. We have a whole heap of water. Why else they are Jamaica we can do? Why else did they? Me never have to think right now. Why else they are Jamaica? Nothing they are Jamaica where people we can benefit from. You have tailor, you have man where you have them corner tailor store where are selling clothes. Look pan Remish. Look pan Remish. Use Remish for example. Why the government not invest in a man like Remish them where have their own clothes line? Why them not invest in a Remish small business? Make Remish teach people how to do them things and have it as a factory, brother. Why people them can't stitch brassieres, stitch panties? People them can't do that, brother. You understand? People can't do that. You need things like them there. You understand? You need to start collect the buckle them. You usually, not you, but people usually do that. Collect the buckle them. Do something. Find out something about plastics. Collect the waste. Do the waste. Do something with the waste. You understand? Do something with waste products where they in the country wally. Then you wouldn't have a river dump. Dump would have did it, but the dump would have so dirty. You'd have big trucks that come move or things that work for people, you know. Everything when I say I work, you know. You understand? Everything when I say I work. And next thing again, Andrew, we in Jamaica, we have so much car mart, but we have so much car dealership, but we don't have nowhere in Jamaica we actually make a car passing. And we have so much car marts in Jamaica. You know try to combine with the international body. Toyota, Honda, Mazda, BMW, Benz. At least 2 of them, Andrew, will give you contract if you open up a factory in your country, Andrew, in Jamaica. We have whole heap of car there. Whole heap of car dealership there. Whole heap of people have car. Something up to people car, them have to go up on the internet. Sometimes have to ship it from China, Japan, America. But what about implement them things where the parts can make in Jamaica? Partner up with the people them. Do them thing there. You need to do them thing there, brother. May I educate you right now, Andrew. Me from the streets, I'm from the street. Nobody true you feel like you go to them big colleges, you feel like say yo, I look at you to come from the street can educate you. Right now adapt me because you there in the seat where if you drive the seat and to make things better, but you nah make nothing better. Partner up with Toyota, Honda, and Bima. If we partner up with them, make them send 30% of them worker, people who know things already. You understand? People who know things already. Make them they can send 20 or 30% of them people who come train. It can happen. If you train the people them in Jamaica, how to do this, how to do that, or you manage this, or you manage that. You understand? Because people are going to come in the equipment, them are going to come from the foreign country. So you have people have to come show you the manual. Oh, you set up this, or you do that. You need to do them things Andrew. You understand? If you don't want to start with car, start with bicycle or bike. Start with bicycle or bike. You understand? Start with something. You can reach up to car. Just do something, brother. And stop saying you do something because you not do nothing. You not. You see, when time we see one factory start to open up back in Jamaica where people can get job, then somebody do something, yo. Building road is nothing. People usually go to and from run Jamaica without them big highway. Only thing traffic. But don't come talk about your build road. Nobody now get no job going to police force for the police them, for the higher heads of police them come abuse the people them and turn them into criminals in a police force. Come and that go on. We all see what go on. We all hear what go on. You understand? So I don't see what you create. What kind of jobs you create. What you create. A monsters you create, brother. A monsters you create. Are you right now? Me no PMP, a JLP constituency me come from, but me not myself as a JLP, me not myself as a PMP, neutral from the two party, me not no party. You understand? The two party them are fubble double. You understand? Look, the state of emergency is the next topic that too, me not really want to talk about it, the video gonna go longer. You understand? But emergency, the state of emergency thing we have to Andrew. Them think they are foolishness. Foolishness. I don't know where you get your plans them and your organization from and who advise you. But me I tell you, Andrew, somebody will advise you. Or the wrong somebody advise you for be careful of the person. Well, this is it the end of my video. Right now, me try to give Andrew Holeness some ideas. It wasn't enough, it wasn't a lot. Maybe 2 3, but 2 and 3 ideas is good when you don't have none. You understand? When somebody can get 2 and 3 good ideas and you don't have none, you understand? So, well, everybody like and share my video, subscribe and share with your friends and comment down in the comment section. Everybody take care and yourself, blessed up and have a nice day here.